The 16th of January, 2024. Bogart expands its brand portfolio with the acquisition of Roset Marius. After several strategic acquisitions aiming at strengthening its footprint in the retail sector in Germany, France, Belgium, Slovakia, the French group is pursuing its external growth strategy with the acquisition of Roset Marius, a prestige fragrance brand headquartered in Aix-en-Provence, France. Bogart thus expands its brand portfolio in its original business of manufacturing perfumes and cosmetics, which includes Carven, Chevignon, Jacques Bogart, Cologne, Méthode Jeanne,